Okay, here we go. Today, you see that? I feel like a weatherman right now. I'm masking, that's the last little bit, and I want to show you how I did it. I'm going to show you how we got to that, okay? That piece over there. Hold on 1 second.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure my paper. I'm going to take my masking machine and I'm going to measure. I'm going to do about that. I'm going to slice that baby. And then I'm going to come in here. I'm going to overlap a little bit. I'm not going to go right to the edge here. I'm not going to do that kind of thing. I'm going to overlap. You seeing this? Then I'm going to get my tape and I'm going to kind of push it and barely overlap it onto the wood, just so it makes contact with the wood. And that looks really good. I'll make sure that I have a nice tight bond here. Then I personally like to take my 5-in-1 and go over and push this in right there, see that? And then go back the other way because you didn't catch the other edge, so you want to go back that way. And then what I do is I have this on my wrist, pull that down, and then I bring this just like this. And I want to make sure the paper's nice and tight so the wind doesn't get it. And I'll do this, make sure the wind doesn't pick it up because we're at a corner here. And I will do also this. And then the last thing I do is take duct tape, which the duct tape is actually my tripod right now, so I can't pick it up, so I already pre-cut a couple pieces. There's my duct tape there. There's my duct tape there, and I really want it to come down like this and be flat, so I'll take my duct tape and I'll put more here. And that's it, guys. That's how we go from this to this. You see that? I'm gonna go spray now, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.